Hey, so today I'll show you how to use Google Keep on a computer in 2026. If you want to take notes, make to-do lists, and organize your work from your PC or laptop, this guide will help you step by step. First, open your browser and go to Google Keep. You don't need to install anything. It works directly online. Next, log in with your Google account. I mean, this is how all your notes sync automatically. Now, click Take a Note. I mean, you can start writing ideas, tasks, or reminders instantly. Click the checklist icon to make a to-do list. This is perfect for work tasks or daily planning. Now, use labels and colors to organize your notes. This helps you quickly find important stuff later. Yeah, click the pin icon to move important notes to the top. This keeps your priorities visible. Now, you can set reminders from your computer too. Google Keep will notify you at the right time. Yeah, you can archive or delete notes anytime. This keeps your workspace clean and organized. If you're logged in, everything syncs automatically. You can start a note on your phone and finish it on your computer. So yeah, that's how you use Google Keep on a computer. It's simple, fast, and super useful for productivity. Thanks for watching.